Have you ever wished you could peek inside your files without actually opening them one by one? Well, now you can, and it's simpler than you think. Let's jump into Windows Explorer. Open any folder with your files. Could be documents, images, PDFs, or even text files. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the window. If you're seeing a button labeled Details, that means the preview pane isn't enabled just yet. To turn it on, go straight to the View tab in the top menu. In there, click on Preview Pane. Instantly, a new section will open up on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Now go ahead and click on any file in your folder. Let's start with an image. You'll see the preview appear instantly in that right-hand pane. No need to double-click or wait for another app to load. Pretty handy, right? Let's test a Word document now. There it is, previewed without ever leaving the Explorer window. Try it with a text file and even a PDF. Yes, those work too. This lets you glance at the content quickly, making it easy to find what you're looking for, especially if you're working with lots of files. And here's the cool part. You can resize the preview pane to your liking. Make it wider or narrower depending on what you're working with. It's all about saving time and streamlining how you manage your files. When you no longer need it, just click the same Preview Pane button again, or use the icon on the top right to toggle it off. It's that simple. So whether you're organizing photos, reviewing documents, or digging through old notes, the Preview Pane makes everything faster and more efficient. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on smart, time-saving tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.